Hello everyone. Let us solve this question where you need to find the area of this blue region, and the things which are given to us are this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, and also the radius of each circle is 1 unit. So we are given a equilateral triangle and unit circles are given. So in order to find this blue region, directly you can see it's very easy to find the blue region. Directly we will subtract the area of these three circles from the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle minus area of these three circles will give us the answer. If radius is given, area of circle is obvious to calculate, but the thing comes when we need to find the area of triangle, which is an equilateral triangle whose area is root 3 by 4a square, where a is the side length, right, minus area of circles. So three circles are there, each having the area pi r square, where pi times 1 square, because radius is 1 unit for each circle. So the thing is that we need to find the value of this quantity. What is a? That is our question. And how to calculate it? Let me tell you. Here circles are given, right? And we know that this triangle is equilateral triangle. What we know about equilateral triangle is all side lengths are equal and each angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now, as you all know that if I join center to any tangent, this radius is always going to be perpendicular to the tangent, right? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Then I will join this with the center of the circle. Due to symmetry, same thing will happen here also, right? And I drop a perpendicular. Due to symmetry, we need not to calculate both the things, we can calculate any of those, and the radius of the circle is 1 unit, so this distance is 1 unit plus this distance is 1 unit. So in total, if I give names to these, let's say this is D, this is E, this is F and G, so this FG is 2 units, right? 1 and 1. So this total DE is also 2 units. Now the question comes, what is the length of this BD? That BD will be calculated by the triangle BDF, where this angle is 30 degree now. This side length is 1 unit now. So I will use the tangent, right? Tangent of theta, tangent of 30 degree in order to calculate this BD length. Once I get BD, EC is also same as that. And I will add 2 to those. So I will get the length of side BC completely. So let us solve this question for the numerical value. Here the question is given to us like this, and I have dropped perpendiculars, or you can say join the center of the circle to this point of contact of the tangent. Now as I said, this angle is 30 degree. Okay, so using in this triangle BFD, I will use the tangent of 30 degree is equal to opposite upon base, which is BD. What we need? We need BD. So BD is equal to FD, which is 1 unit, because that is the radius of the circle, divided by tan 30. And tan 30 degree is, as we all know, root 1 by root 3. So 1 over 1 by root 3 gives root 3, right? So what's the length? BD, it is root 3 units. Similarly, EC is also root 3 unit. And I told you that this is radius plus this is radius. In total, this DE length comes out to be 2 unit again. Okay, so what is the side length of this equilateral triangle? So I can say side length of equilateral triangle comes out to be root 3 plus 2 plus root 3, that is 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now let us find the required blue region. So as I said, that blue region is given by the difference of area of the triangle ABC, which is root 3 by 4 a square, side square, which is 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square, minus area of the circles. So I can say 3 times area of each circle, which is pi times 1 squared. Right? Now this 2 and 2, you can take it out common, and whole square is there. Whole square is there. So it will come out as 4. So I'll get root 3 by 4 times 1 plus root 3 whole squared minus 3 pi. Let us solve it. 4 cancelled with 4, and if I solve this, a plus b whole squared, which is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, right? So I am using a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I will get root 3 times 1 plus root 3 square, which is 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 3 pi. Now this gives us 4. 3 plus 1 gives 4. So I am getting 4 root 3 plus, here you have 2 root 3, distribute this root 3, right? So root 3 times 2 root 3 will give us 2 times 3, which is 6. So I can say plus 6 minus 3 pi, right? Now as we know that root 3 is 1.732, and the value of pi, you can consider it as 3.14, right? So if I substitute these values, this comes out as 12.9282 approx minus 3 pi will come out as, let's say, 9.42 something, or 47 and so on. So just subtract these two and you will get the required area, which comes out as 3.5034 approx square units, and that's our answer, right? So you just have to subtract the area of these 3 circles from the area of equilateral triangle, and for getting the area of equilateral triangle you need the side length. So using the trigonometric functions and the properties of the circle, we can easily solve this type of question. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to solve such questions, you can follow us, right? And also if you need help in solving any assignment or question papers, or if you want to have some online sessions, you can contact us. Feel free to contact us. See you in the next part. Thank you for watching this. Keep watching, keep learning.